Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a YouTube intro without any software. Like this. Come, let's get started. First, search the Panzoid website in Chrome. Then, open the first link. These are the pre-designed intros. You can also create a new intro video by clicking on Clipmaker. Today, I will show how to edit a pre-designed intros. For more intro templates, click on More Creations and select any one of them which you like. Let me select any one of the intro. Click on Open in Clipmaker. This is the tool to make an intro. To see your video, first press on the eye icon that will convert to a render mode. Then press on the play button. To edit this video, to replace name to your channel name, click on Object button in the options on your left side of your screen. Then change the name of the text which is already present. Also note that you should change every text which is present. Now your intro ready, play the video once to check whether it is proper. Let me make changes little bit, I was not satisfied with that. Okay, now to download your video, press on Download button. Then select the quality of your video. I am selecting a good quality video, so that it takes the time to render video. And also select the video format which you want. Click on Start Video Render. Note: don't forget to press on Allow button, or else your video can't be downloaded. Then it starts render your intro video. This takes a few minutes to render, since I selected a good quality video, so please, have some patience. After rendering is finished, press on Download your video, then your video will be downloaded. There are lots of intros, select which you want as your wish. So, thank you for seeing my tutorial video. I request all of them to like and subscribe to my channel. And also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you, have a nice day.